Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit a song in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. Now, to edit an already existing song, as you can see here, you can drop or click here to actually add a song and edit it from here. I'll just take this Baldur's Gate soundtrack piece, which I have from a promotion they did, and I'll just try and edit that. Now, you won't be able to hear anything if I play it, since I have turned off desktop audio recording in my recording software, but as you can see, that has been added. From here, I can do a couple of things. I can right click this and denoise this, which as you can see will remove everything for some reason, or actually it just loaded and now it has been denoised. I can audio stretch it by one semitone or compress it by one semitone, add or remove speed, and do a lot more things. I can also go into effects and add whatever effects I want. I can go into the editor and edit it from here, increase the region gain. Then I can also increase or decrease the speed, increase or decrease the shift, reverse it, reset it, do whatever I want. If I reset it, it just goes back to the default as it was. If I right click it, I can then set cycle to selection. I can slice it depending on where I put this marker. If I right click and select slice, as you can see, it sliced it into two different spaces, and you can do a lot of different things with that. If I add an effect, I can choose a preset, or I can add an effect myself. I can add a distortion filter, for example bit crusher, and modify the intensity however I want. And now if I play it back, it will sound different. You guys will just need to take my word for it. This sounds really bad, by the way, so don't do that like that. But it does add a filter, and you can test it out yourself and see if it actually works, which it does. I won't be showing it to you since I can't really turn it on my recording software at the moment. But what you can also do, you can add different channels. You can turn on auto pitch, which is pretty much just auto tune, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, those are just some options on what you have to actually edit a song. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.